What's the legal age to ride a 50cc dirt bike? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might think. Age requirements can differ dramatically from country to country. In the UK, you need to be at least 16 years old to ride a 50cc dirt bike on public roads. You can't just hop on and ride. You'll need a driving license too. On the other side of the pond, it's a bit of a different story. In the US, believe it or not, kids as young as 3 can start on small dirt bikes, but on private land. For the bigger and more powerful 250cc dirt bikes, 16 is the recommended starting age. Understanding licenses and categories. The joy of bureaucracy. It's not all about age, you know. You've got to earn the right to ride through tests and permits. So let's break this down. Licenses and categories in the UK. M license. Want to ride a moped that goes from 25 km/h to 45 km/h? You'll need an AM license. To get this, you'll have to complete compulsory basic training, CBT, pass a theory test, and ace a practical test. And remember, you can do all this only if you're 16 or older. A2 license. If you're eyeing a standard motorcycle with up to 35 kW of power, you'll need an A2 license. Here, the minimum age jumps up to 19 years. A license. Feeling like a pro? An unrestricted motorcycle will require an A license, and for this one, you've got to be at least 24 years old. Riding on private land versus public roads. What if you don't want to deal with the hustle and bustle of public roads? Maybe you've got some private land, a track, or a big garden. United Kingdom. Good news. In the UK, you can ride a dirt bike on private land even if you're younger than 16. Just make sure you have the landowner's permission, all right? United States. In the US, age restrictions are generally more lenient for private land. Just be sure you're following any state or local rules, especially concerning safety gear and noise levels. So there you have it. Everything you absolutely need to know about the legal age for riding 50cc dirt bikes. Whether you're in the UK or the US. From licenses to safety gear, it's crucial to be in the know. You're not just revving up a bike, you're revving up an experience. Make sure it's a legal and safe one.